I just found a brand new AI agent that can literally run your business for you. It's called Accio Work, and it connects to all your favorite tools that you currently use. It can access your local computer, and it comes pre-equipped with skills that prevent it from hallucinating. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly all the things that you could do with this and what automations you need to set up today. In order to actually access it, we're just going to come over here and you're going to download this, and then it's going to actually bring it up. But as we can see right here, this can do product design, this could do sourcing, it could do negotiation, it could do store operations, marketing, CRM, all handled with one tool. It works 24/7, it's self-evolving, and it's proactive. As we can see right here, you could use it to launch a store, you could use it to organize files on your personal computer, you could get it to build out custom tools, to build apps, you could schedule out tasks with it, you could use browser use with it, you could get it to automate emails, and there is so much more that you're going to be able to do with this, because this essentially gives you everything that you need. Okay, so once you actually have access to this is what it looks like. And as we can see here, this right here is incredibly powerful. First and foremost, if we wanted to be able to add in different team members, we would be able to do that right here. And this is where we could come through and we can create a developer team, a marketing team, an operations team, customer support team, and all of that jazz. If we come over into new message right here, we could see that this is going to allow us to actually reference things. For example, if we go we'll be able to reference different files. Right now, default permissions, this is just going to run inside of a sandbox. But if you actually wanted this to have full access to your computer, you would just click on full access right here, and then it would have full access. And as we can see here, this is where we can actually go through and add in specific things. For example, generative UI, skills, add files or photos. If we come over into project over here, we'll be able to upload things from our direct computer, but I'm going to come back over here. And as we can see right here, we could choose every single model. Now, in addition to that, if we come over into agents right here, we could see that we have general purpose agents, or they have some pre-built out ones like a Shopify operator, e-commerce mind, coder, vibe selling agent. And if we come into new agent right here, we could actually go through and we can create new agents based from a starting point, or we could just start from scratch. And if you start from scratch, this is going to actually allow you to go through and customize pretty much everything that actually goes into creating an agent. In addition to that, if we come over here to capabilities, we could see that we could schedule out tasks right here. They have different daily preset tasks. You could create your own if you wanted to. They have things around monitoring, reports, automations, all of this. In addition to that, if we come over to connectors right here, we could see all these different connectors that are coming soon, and we could see the connectors that already exist, a lot of them being around social media, email, GitHub. If we come over here into skills, we could see that we could upload skills, or this actually already has a bunch of different predefined skills here around so many different departments, which is really cool. In addition to that, if we come over to channels right here, this is where you're going to be able to actually set this up with all these different channels so that you will be able to talk to your agents from Telegram, WeChat, Discord, or wherever you want to chat with them. And then if we come over to pairings right here, this is where we can actually choose who can interact with our bots via different instant messaging channels and directly with our agents by authorizing users and doing all that in here. Now, before I dive into some of the crazy use cases you can use this tool for and the automations that I would suggest that you set up immediately, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Accio Work today. If you want to be able to automate your work or your business, this tool is a no-brainer. Now, the first thing I did want to do here is I wanted to come through, and this is going to be use case number 1, coming under scheduled tasks, looking at competitor watch right here, and I want to actually go through and create this. In fact, I want this to happen every morning at 10 a.m. And what this is going to do, it's going to go through, it's going to search the web for the latest news, product updates, and pricing changes from competitors in my industry. And we could put in here exactly what our industry is. So we're going to say our industry is baseball apparel, specifically targeting the youth. Now, what this is going to do, we could choose between whether it's going to be sent to an agent or we could have it sent to a specific conversation if we wanted to. For the sake of this, I'm just going to have it sent to the agent. We have the name watch right here. We could choose which agent this is actually going to use and we could customize it. But I'm going to click on create right here. And now this is actually going to be scheduled out. Now, in addition to just scheduling it out, I did want to show you what this will actually look like if we run it. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to come into agents. We're going to come just into the regular agent. As we can see right here, we could choose between agents pretty easily right there. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put this in here, and then this is going to go through and this is going to do this research for us. Now, as we can see, this is going through. This is actually updating the memory right here, which is pretty cool. And it is performing all of these different web searches right here for all my different competitors, all things about them. And then what it's going to do is actually give me back a report, and we could see that it's writing that right now. And this does this incredibly quickly. Okay, so we could see right here, this went through, and this goes through key findings and significant shifts for 2026. We have market growth and scale, major competitor updates, the drip phenomenon. We have pricing trends right here, which is pretty cool. We could actually come over here and see exactly what this full report looks like. And this right here is amazing, especially when I'm going to be getting this update every morning at 10 a.m. because in the past, I would have had to hire an assistant or somebody to do this, but now this will just happen automatically. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is I've actually gone through and I've connected my Gmail here. And what I want this to be able to do is actually alert me and my team when there's going to be something that needs to be handled inside of customer support. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to come back over into scheduled tasks, and I want this to happen all the time. So we're going to come over here. We're going to put customer support. In specific, we're going to put refunds. We're going to have send to, we'll just have it sent to the agent. For this specific task, I might build out a customer support agent later on, but I'm just going to go with the Accio agent right here. And what we're going to do is say, analyze my emails from the last 6 hours and alert me of any emails that contain refund or chargeback. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up so that this runs at a schedule right here. Now, instead of having this be daily, I'm actually going to click on interval right here, and I'm going to have this happen every 6 hours. Because as we could see, we're actually going through and we are getting this to pull from the last 6 hours. So we're going to want to set this up at an interval so that it's happening multiple times a day. Now, when this actually runs, this is exactly what this is going to look like. This is going to then open up right here. We could see that this is going through. It's opening up a skill right here that's going to be Gmail Assistant. We could see that it's going through the MCP and accessing my Gmail. It's now doing this in batches, and it's going to report back to me whether or not I have any emails. And we can see right here that there are 10 emails in this period, but none of them contain the word refund or chargeback. Here's a summary of the different emails that it went through and showed me right here. So this is pretty good that this is actually going through and this is showing us right here, because this could alert us of any other potential issues that we might have to handle. And what I really like about this is if we actually build out a customer support agent, we have it checking all these different things. We have it all under one system right here that makes it incredibly easy to manage for my customer support team or me as a solopreneur to actually go through and just be able to check things really quickly. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is actually if we come over here into this e-commerce mind right here, I'm going to click on this preset right here, and this right here shows off something pretty cool. So use a browser to open these websites and analyze their layout and design approach. And now what I'm going to go through and do is I'm going to type in some of my competitors right here. So we have Baseballism, we have BL101.com, and then I'm also going to put Nike.com. Now, what this is going to do is this is actually going to go through, this is going to open up these websites. It's going to analyze their layout and design approach. And as we can see right here, this is now opening up several different tasks. And we can see that we actually have to go through and allow browser connection. So I'm actually going to come through and I'm just going to give this access quick. And we can see that in order to actually do this, we just have to go through and we have to actually install this extension that's going to allow it to browse on our computer using Axial. Okay, so now we could go through and we could see that this went through, this actually did this right here, and we have this report. So if we come over here, this actually goes through and this gives us all of these different things here. It goes through the layout and navigation, goes through the design aesthetic. It actually gives us a comparative summary right here, and this did this for all of our different competitors. Now, I just want to do this one time because I might want to actually update things or A/B testing, but you could set this up so that this is a scheduled task so that it happens all the time if you want to constantly update your website. And we could see this gives us some really useful information here. Now, another thing that I did want to show you here is if we come over to skills, we could actually see all these different skills here. For example, there's a skill for publishing content. So you could actually get this to create content and then publish it for you. You could actually create a content strategy here, an image prompt guide, a launch strategy, e-commerce marketing, content breakdown, remotion video, marketing psychology, page CRO, review analyst. So we could see right here that there are tons, even copywriting and competitor analysis. There are tons of different tools that you're going to be able to use here that are going to help you with social media. So this can literally help with everything. Let's go through these skills really quickly. We have e-commerce and we have sourcing right here. This can literally build out a Shopify website for you. We have marketing and content that can help you promote your business. We have things around finance that can help you build a DCF valuation, financial modeling. We have document skills here. We have dev tools. We have an email assistant, which is actually something that we used earlier in the customer support example. And then we even have skill management, where this will continually go through and create you better skills and allow you to update the skills, which is incredible. Now, that last thing that I wanted to show you is I'm going to show you this coda right here, because what I'm going to get this to do is actually go through and create a landing page. Let's say that we had an affiliate offer for one of our e-commerce brands, and we're going to be running a 50% off discount through one affiliate. Here's how we could actually get this built out. So we could come over here and we could say something like, I want to mock up a landing page that we could use to drive affiliate sales at a 50% discount. It's for BL101.com, so try to match the website style and the brand. The specific influencer is going to be Jackson Olsen. Now, what we're going to get this to do is we're just going to give this as task. This is going to go through. This is going to do a web search to actually understand BL101.com. This is going to do a web search for Jackson Olsen to understand who he is. And now this is going to go through and actually mock us up a landing page or a website. And again, in the past, this would have taken you an incredibly long period of time to go through and actually do, but with Accio, it makes it incredibly simple. It really makes it this easy to have all these different coworkers that are helping you out all the time, that specify in all these different skills and all these different things. And guess what? You don't have to pay anybody because you're using Accio to do this. Now, I have to be honest with you, this right here just completely exceeded my expectations. So we could see that this took this around 90 seconds. This would have taken somebody on my team a week to deliver, but look at this. This went through, this created a high fidelity landing page for a mock-up for a Jackson Olsen X BL101 affiliate campaign. We have brand alignment right here. We have the Jackson Olsen feature, affiliate offer, product integration, responsive layout. And if we click on this right here, look at this. I mean, it literally went and found him wearing BL101. I didn't give it anything here. It went through and did all this, found their logo, matched the colors right here. It actually went through and grabbed things from his collection on their website. And this is incredible that this actually goes through and this does this right here with real photos of him really wearing the brand. And I didn't tell it to do any of this. This did this all with literally just that one prompt. I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Accio Work today. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn everything else that you could do with Accio Work, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through a bunch of other use cases that you could use this tool for. If that sounds interesting, I'll see you over there.